kapal ng mukha nyo. May pamanoran tayo, guys. Diba? Na-anticipate na kasi ni Secretary Remulla ang mga mangyayari. Si Bato, super buga. Si Amy Marcos, super buga. Nonchalant nga lang si Alan Peter Cayetano. Yun yung abogado. O, alam nyo na. Diba? Kahit pa paano naman, may isus ang mga sinasabi niya, ni Alan Peter Cayetano when it comes to technicality. However, yung mga sinasabi niya is may mga counter defense din. Diba? Kasi yung mga sinasabi niya lang naman will favor lang naman sa mga side nila. Pero that doesn't mean tama na kayo or otherwise. Diba? Ito, dito kasi sa part na to, nagkakaturoan na kung sino daw ang nag-utos na i-surrender ang dating presidente. Well, ako na lang nag-utos di Charot. Diba? So, dito si Secretary Remulla, siya yung nagbigay ng clearance para magawa ang pag-surrender or ang pag-arrest kay Duterte. Diba? Para mapunta na sa dahil para dun sa for questioning or for preparation, ano mga legal preparation na gagawin nila. Ngayon, galit na galit si Bato kasi walang umaamin or walang talagang nagde-directly sasabi ng ng ganong confession. Kasi nga, it may be part of the starting point to breaching the national security that is being performed or being done by the executive department. Ganun yun. Kaya, gigil na gigil talaga yung si Senator Bato and then Senator Amy ipalabas sa mainstream media na mayroon dapat silang sisihin na isa. Tapos, ang i-point out nyo na hindi namin gusto na mag-inflict sa mga nanonood na gusto namin na kami ang manalo. Talaga ba? Ito.
So, General Marbil, are you lying?
Sir, I'm not lying, but sir, I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter.
Nandito na tayo Executive privilege ka dyan.
Pero kung ikaw nga di ba? Malamang, it should be included in the executive privilege because that can be linked to the plan of executive department. Di ba? Telling nyo, syempre kapag nasabi na ako, ang dami nyo namang i-question about sa mga ganyan-ganyan hanggang mag-lead kayo to thinking na i-cite in contempt na hindi nyo naman pwedeng gawin because of executive privilege. Di ba? Tapos, dyan na din talaga dapat may apply yung checks and balances. Di ba? They are co-equally. Pinagbigyan na nga kayo na magkaroon kayo ng guest, di ba? Kahit pa paano magkaroon ng kulay-kulay lang naman.
Bakit naging executive privilege? Kanina sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am.
Yeah.
We didn't want to be bullied.
No, we're not bullying you, sir.
Ulit.
I think that's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We didn't want to be bullied.
No, we're not bullying you, sir. We're not bullying you, sir.
Ganun yun.
You're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit.
Yes.
Executive privilege
trying
is a
to
valid
derive
excuse not to answer any question.
Ulitin natin.
That's why we didn't want to.
Kasi meron na ditong kinontempt si Bato. Yung envoy, representative, di ba, na nag-sign on behalf of the whole country. Diba? Hindi niya naman kasi talaga alam, ano na kayo? Diyos ko. Digong is a threat. His mind is a threat. Maybe not physically, but his mind is a threat. Buong Duterte is a threat sa pamilya, sa buong Pilipinas. Kung alam nyo lang. Alam ko, no? And that's my opinion, and that's how I see it. Pero at least hindi ko kayo minumura. Digay ng mga DDS na palaban. And yung unethical profanity, okay lang daw. Sabi ni Joy, search nyo, meron akong vlog yan. Next, ulitin natin.
Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am.
Yes.
We didn't want to be bullied.
No, we're not bullying you, sir.
Nobody's bullying.
We're not
I think
bullying you, sir. We're not bullying you, sir.
You're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit.
Perfect.
And executive
We're
privilege
trying
is
to
a valid
derive
excuse
information.
not to answer any question.
Secretary
President Duterte is already at the Hague.
Tapos not
We are
bossing.
asking kung sino nagpadala doon sa kanya.
Sino
Yun ang
nag-order?
tanong
We're
natin.
trying to understand every step of
As I said
the way.
earlier,
Pero
everything was clear
insistent.
with the DOJ.
We are not bullying you, sir. Ha?
Ano sabi?
We want that.
Sino
Yun ang
nag-order?
tanong
We're
natin.
trying to understand every step of
As
the
I said
way.
earlier, everything was cleared with the DOJ.
We
Everything
are
was
not
clear
bullying you,
with
sir.
the
Ha? We want the truth.
That's why if we
So,
try to make a person admit something that should not be admitted, it means that there is something more to it, which is the clearance given by the DOJ was probably the most important part of it.
Yes.
To serve the warrant of arrest and to surrender the person under the law.
I'm sorry, Secretary Remulla. I recall that General Torre, nagbigay siya ng interview na sinabi niya, bigyan lang ako ng eroplano. Ako nang bahala dyan. Tama po ba? Yung nabasa ko.
May statement si General Bato ay General Torre, meron dito, papaanood ko sa inyo na yun nga, merong statement na about sa providing of the airplane, tapos siya na daw bahala, guys. For me, kayo na mag-judge, pero para sa akin it's like a joke kasi tumatawa-tawa, pero sa Duterte about the joke na papatayin niya, or buti pang pumatay tayo ng ilang senador, 15 senador or mga senador, di ba, para magkaroon sila ng pwesto. Patayan B versus dun sa aresto. Ganyan na ba? Pero check it out.
Na sinabi nyo, ako nang bahala, basta bigyan ako ng eroplano. Nabasa po namin sa media, fake news po ba yun o hindi?
Mga convince sa
Kailangan niyo po talaga siyang ilipad sa dahil.
General Torre,
Please panoorin ninyo.
Tatanong pa lang,
nandyan.
alam niyo
Arrest
na.
him, bring him to the Hague, yun lang. Pakita lang.
So paano
General
po nabasa
Torre.
inyo ni PNP Chief Marbil na how did he say that to you? Na no matter what, we need to fly the former president to the
wait
Hague?
lang.
Ito na, bigyan mo aeroplano. O di ayos.
And then the rest, you planned everything.
Mga joke ko, mga simple lang.
Matagal na yan.
Kay Duterte.
Yan, spur of the moment eh. Matagal na yan. And
Pagbibigay ko lang.
nagkataon lang na talagang yun, the opportunity arose.
So Secretary Remulla, nagpa-interview na si General Torre. We're not bullying him. He voluntarily gave this interview. And like many of our countrymen, napanood namin. Sinabi niya na siya talaga. Paano ba yun? Sino nag-utos sa kanya?
Ano nga yan, mama? Sabi ko nga, clear namin lahat yan. Kasi they were asking me.
Kahit ako si General Torre, even though I have that interview, if there's no instruction by my superior or principal, should I do that? Diyos ko naman, Aimee. Ang layo-layo naman nito sa mga jokes ni Digong. Di ba sabi niya, magsipain niya ang mga ICC. O ngayon, sipain niya na.
Even if I was abroad, my advice was being sought. And I gave them the advice. That,
So kayo ang
number one,
nag-utos?
serve the warrant of arrest. And number two, surrender him to the Hague. That's what the law provides.
so sir, you're the one giving the orders.
Well, in some ways, because I gave them the legal basis for all the actions that happened.
So you're the one giving the orders.
If I have to be the one, then if I am the one,
No, sir.
that is referred to, I will admit it.
Kasi-
That I gave the clearances to number one, serve the warrant of arrest as I saw it, as I deemed fit, and number two, to fly him to the Hague, to be surrendered under Section 17 of Republic Act
Diba?
9851.
Yan ang tunay, may paninindigan. Di yun na sabi-sabi ka na pumunta ka ng ICC para masuportahan mo si Digong, para matulungan, maalagaan